Alright, what's happening, guys? So today, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like really smoky and overcast out, and that seems to be kind of a reoccurring thing this time of year, just with all the wildfires going on. It seems like every year there's, you know, a few bad ones, but where I want to go is kind of highly elevated, just to get a view of the city. Kind of curious to see how it looks with all the smoke. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys there. We're just gonna rip through this real quick. Woo! There's a lot of dogs out this morning, which I do not mind. There he goes. So I have noticed, I have this like turn signal kit. That looks fine. But then this turn signal will just constantly keep flashing like that. I'll leave it on. It'll probably switch over eventually. Which I'm assuming I'll have to take everything apart and then shove it back in this little cavity, which is a nightmare. But I was riding home last night. See, there it goes. Turn the left on. It just keeps constantly flashing like I'm about to turn right. Anyways, I was riding home last night. It was pretty dark. And I was like, should I just keep the lights on and just people behind me will think I'm turning right all the time? Or just turn them off? And I ended up kind of doing both. But, yeah, just annoying. I gotta figure that out. It is really ominous out today. So we got a full moon too. All the weirdos are out this time of the month with the smoke as well. It seems like, whew, it smells smoky too. Seems like end of times. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for some Mad Max to go down. As long as I got an outlet for me to charge a bike. I really want to get a coffee somewhere, but I don't know how I would ride home with it without spilling it all over myself. So I did order a new headlight. It's just like the you know, straight bar, like the grit shift one. I didn't order it from Grit Shift, but it's pretty much the same thing. So that's coming in the mail at some point. But the probably biggest upgrade, I ordered it a few days ago. Drum roll, insert drum roll. I got a new battery. Yeah, man, I'm excited for that. I got the Qi. I don't know if it's Qi or Chai, but I got their battery, the 60 volt, 60 amp hour. It seemed like a good blend of power and range. Honestly, like the power on it right now with the KO controller is pretty damn good. So I'm kind of just more interested in range, to be honest. So we're gonna skip through this parking lot. Hello. Pizza smells good, or sounds good. I guess they're not open. Yeah, power's fine for my like. I'm not trying to go on the freeway or anything with this, but range is the only thing that's been kind of annoying, because I like to go like on some longer rides throughout the city, but I haven't done any stuff like that just because I'm worried about the battery dying and I'm stuck there. Like, what would I do? Yeah, so that battery it's supposed to double your range, right? So I don't even know how long you could go, but it'd just be nice to not have to worry about it, I guess. Whereas right now it's just like constantly in the back of my mind. Man, it just feels, maybe it's just me, but it just feels weird today. It feels very, I want to say tense, but that might not be a fitting word for it. This seems like end of times, man. End of times, and people are still going to work, still going to their job. Still gotta pay the bills, you know. Would it be bad if I just ripped through the cemetery right now? Damn, bruh. Oh man, the coffee sounds so good right now. I wonder what was there. I feel like a gas station was right there. But not anymore. Huh. It is pretty early still too. It's only 10 o'clock on Saturday. I think it's Saturday. Smokey. Smells almost like a cross between campfire and like burning tires. It's very windy too right now. It just feels, you know, like calm before the storm, like a storm's about to rip through. It gets like that like sepia tone in the sky. That's what it feels like to me. You ever like get stuck in traffic and look around and you're just curious, where are these people going? They going to work, they going to get pizza, donuts, are they going to drop their kids off at school? I don't know, man. It's just kind of interesting. Like everyone's got their own story, I guess. I don't know what I don't know what I'm trying to say right now. It's so early. No coffee yet. I wonder if that donut place up there has coffee. Juices. Oh, they do. Coffee, juices, pastries. Fresh coffee. Alright, let's get it. Woo! 40s, baby, 40s. Where's this guy going? He's trying to get in my lane or what? Okay, so one thing I have noticed, the front wheel, the spokes they lose their tension like all the time. Seems like every other ride I have to go through, feel them, tighten some of them. Whoa! And if I don't do that, the wheel kind of like wobbles like this. It's kind of doing it right now. I don't know if you can yeah, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but it's kind of annoying. I don't know if I need a new wheel, a new rim. It's something that in the future maybe, but right now it's, you know, I just bought a battery, just did a lot of upgrades to it, so I don't want to break the bank essentially. But man, it is so windy right now. I wonder what this is. Farmer's market. I might go check that out. These people out here doing a farmer's market when it's smoky and ashy out. Oh, we got the birds. Let's get him. Let's get him. Woo! Get up! Hey, dog. This right here is a church, but it's got this really crazy like dome structure, and you can kind of see it throughout different areas of Portland, and it just looks like a big titty on like a cliffside, basically. You know how some people get guided home by the North Star or whatever? Sometimes I just look for that titty and I know where I gotta go. Woo! I feel like no one's gonna be up here because see one car over there. Dude, I don't think anyone's gonna be up here, so let's ride up here. Oh, look at that. Very smoky. So normally on like a clear day you can see everything. There's mountain ranges somewhere. There's like a big mountain right there. Can't see it today. It's really smoky. So thanks guys, just a quick video than normal, but thanks for watching. Till next time. Next video will probably be the battery upgrade, so I'm pretty stoked for that. So till next time.